Ready to master the road and ace your driving test? In today's video, we're covering 50 must-know road signs that every driver should be familiar with. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, these signs will help you drive with confidence and stay safe. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more driving advice. Let's get started. This is the "Try brakes after crossing a ford" sign. It advises drivers to gently apply their brakes after driving through water to ensure they're still working effectively and haven't been compromised. The "End of Prohibition of Goods Vehicles" sign marks the point where previously restricted heavy goods vehicles may now continue along the route without violating regulations. The "Light Signals at a Level Crossing Ahead" sign serves as an advance warning of railway crossing signals, where flashing lights control when vehicles must stop for approaching trains. The "Horse-Drawn Vehicles Prohibited" sign indicates that traditional or rural transport like carts and wagons pulled by horses are not allowed beyond this point. The "Zebra Crossing" sign shows where pedestrians have the legal right to cross the road, and vehicles must stop to let them pass, even if there are no traffic lights present. What warning does this sign provide? B. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Who is this crossing meant for? A. Zebra crossing. What kind of signal is indicated here? B. The "Solo Motorcycles Prohibited" sign tells motorcyclists riding alone that this particular stretch of road is off limits to them, often due to high traffic risks or road conditions. The "No Stopping" sign enforces a strict rule that vehicles must not stop at any time, not even briefly, within the area marked by this sign, often for visibility or safety reasons. The "Slow-Moving Military Vehicles" sign alerts drivers to be on the lookout for armored or military transport vehicles that may be moving much slower than regular traffic. The "Accompanied Horses" sign indicates an area where horses are likely to be ridden or led by handlers, and drivers should reduce speed and avoid sudden movements or noises. The "Stop Before Crossing, Police Ahead" sign is used to warn drivers of a mandatory police checkpoint or control stop, requiring them to halt and follow officer instructions. The "Turn Left Ahead" sign directs drivers to prepare for a compulsory left turn at an approaching intersection or junction. Continuing straight or right is not allowed. The "Riverbank or Quayside" sign is a serious warning that the road runs close to a body of water such as a river or dock, where barriers may be minimal and the risk of falling in exists. Who does this sign refer to? Accompanied horses. What restriction is in place here? B. No stopping. What type of vehicle is not allowed? C. The "Side Winds" sign indicates an area prone to strong gusts of wind that blow across the road, which can be particularly hazardous for high-sided vehicles like trucks or buses. The "Migratory Toad Crossing" sign appears in areas where toads move seasonally, often during specific months, and helps protect wildlife and reduce roadkill. The "Warning" sign is a general-purpose alert used alongside supplementary plates that describe specific dangers like roadworks, uneven surfaces, or loose gravel. The electrified overhead cable ahead sign is essential for tall or commercial vehicles, warning of high-voltage power lines that could pose a fatal danger if contact occurs. The priority must be given to vehicles from the opposite direction sign is displayed on narrow roads where only one vehicle can pass at a time, requiring you to let oncoming traffic go first. The entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour sign marks the beginning of a reduced speed zone, typically found in residential areas, near schools, or where pedestrian activity is high. The one-way traffic sign confirms that traffic must flow in only one designated direction, reducing the risk of head-on collisions on narrow or high-speed roads. What hazard does this sign warn about? A. Electrified overhead cable ahead. What must drivers do at this sign? C. Priority must be given to vehicles from the opposite direction. What speed zone begins here? A. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour. The end of controlled zone sign signals the end of a traffic management zone, such as one with parking, access, or delivery restrictions, often found in city centers. The slow-moving vehicles sign warns drivers to expect very slow vehicles ahead, like tractors or construction machines, where overtaking may be unsafe or restricted. The clearance warning sign alerts drivers of height restrictions caused by bridges, tunnels, or overhead signs, helping to prevent dangerous collisions for tall vehicles. The warning of maximum headroom of arch bridge directly ahead sign indicates the height limit of an approaching archway or bridge, ensuring vehicles taller than the limit do not attempt to pass underneath. The crossbuck sign marks an unguarded railway crossing, alerting drivers to stop, look, and listen for trains before proceeding safely across the tracks. The road sign that is most commonly installed in the Virgin Islands refers to the region's most frequently used sign, often reflecting local driving habits or common hazards. What structural warning does this sign give? B. What kind of railway crossing is this? C. Crossbuck. Where is this road sign commonly found? The goods vehicles exceeding an unladen weight sign places a limit on the weight of unloaded commercial vehicles allowed on the road, helping to preserve road conditions and bridge safety. The traffic cue's "likely ahead" sign warns that the road is known for frequent traffic congestion or bottlenecks, so drivers should reduce speed and stay alert. The National Speed Limit Applies sign means the default countrywide speed limit resumes from that point onward, replacing any lower limits that were previously in effect. The hump bridge sign alerts drivers to a raised arch bridge that may cause discomfort or loss of control if approached at high speed. The Vehicles Carrying Explosives Prohibited sign restricts access to vehicles transporting explosive materials, ensuring safety in populated or high-risk areas. The telephone at level crossing sign indicates the location of a telephone, often used to contact train operators in the event of a crossing emergency or failure. The "no left turn" for vehicular traffic sign bans vehicles from making a left turn at the next intersection which may be due to visibility issues or traffic flow control. The direction to telephone at level crossing sign points drivers to the location of the emergency phone if they need assistance near the railway tracks. The steep ascent sign warns of a significant uphill slope ahead that may require lower gears and increased engine power to climb safely. What emergency service is indicated? B. Telephone at level crossing. What direction does this sign point to? Direction to telephone at level crossing. What speed regulation is in effect? B. National speed limit applies. The slippery road sign warns of poor traction conditions, often due to water, ice, or oil on the road surface, especially hazardous for braking and cornering. The vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited sign bans long vehicles, such as buses or trailers, that exceed the posted length limit from entering a specific route. The Stop Children Crossing Ahead sign marks a school zone or child pedestrian area where stopping is mandatory to allow children to cross safely. The Vehicles Exceeding a Gross Weight sign restricts access based on the total loaded weight of a vehicle, typically to protect bridges or delicate road surfaces. The end of 20 miles per hour zone sign signals that the reduced speed zone has ended and normal speed regulations now apply. The No Waiting sign prohibits any form of stationary parking or idling in the marked area, helping to maintain clear roadways. The Wild Horses or Ponies sign alerts drivers to free roaming animals that may unpredictably enter the road, especially in rural or protected areas. The No U-turns for vehicular traffic sign strictly prohibits vehicles from reversing direction at the marked spot to prevent traffic flow disruption or collisions. The Vehicles Exceeding Length Indicated Prohibited metric sign applies the same rule as before, but uses meters instead of feet or inches. What type of vehicles does this sign apply to? C. Vehicles exceeding a gross weight. What is prohibited based on size? A. Vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited metric. What condition is ahead? B. Slippery road. The sheep sign warns drivers to reduce speed and remain alert, as flocks may be crossing the road without warning. The Articulated Vehicles Prohibited sign bans long, jointed trucks like semi-trailers from entering the area, often due to tight turns or weight concerns. The cattle sign signals that cows or bulls may be on the road, and drivers should proceed slowly to avoid startling the animals. The mini roundabout sign indicates a small circular intersection, requiring drivers to yield to traffic coming from the right and proceed around the central island. The Keep Left sign directs traffic to stay on the left-hand side of a median, obstruction, or island, ensuring safe flow in narrow or divided roads. The horse-drawn vehicles sign indicates that traditional carriages may be present on the road, and drivers should pass with care. The risk of grounding at level crossing ahead sign warns that low clearance or long vehicles may scrape or get stuck on uneven rail tracks, requiring extra caution. And that's a wrap on our 50 must-know road signs. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips. Thanks for watching, and always drive safely.